When your human tries the invisible ball trick for the 100th time, but you and your best friend are both experts in physics and knowing exactly where treats are. When you literally try to eat the instructions. Trying to walk when your shoes don't fit. When the neighborhood drama kicks off and you are trying to be discreet but your nosy little sibling is absolutely failing to play it cool. One of us is a professional undercover agent and the other clearly needs to work on their poker face before the neighbors notice.
Quay chưa bà già. Rồi ok về diễn nha. Ủa mà khoan đi. Thì đó ai chỉ bà quay phim nha bà già. Người ta quay phỏng vấn này, người ta quay cận cận vô. Mắt thì bà quay hết nguyên người tôi vậy. Bà tính cho nguyên cái TikTok này.
Meet Gabriel the gray cat who clearly thinks he is the main character in this household. I tried to film a nice video but this furry diva decided to stage a dramatic walk across the frame and then completely ignored me like a true celebrity.
You know what?
I left the camera running hoping for a cute moment but he won't even look my way now. Living with a cat means accepting you are just the unpaid paparazzi in their world.
But he's so cute.
Gabriel. Oh, Gabriel. He won't even look at me. He knows.
Watching this fluffy gray cat attempt a high-stakes infiltration mission is the highlight of my day. It starts with a confident squeeze behind the door, but physics quickly intervenes as that majestic tail gets left behind like a forgotten luggage piece. Most creatures would give up, yet this feline warrior simply resets and stares at the wooden barrier with pure, unadulterated judgment. It is a classic battle of fluff versus furniture where the door clearly holds the home court advantage. Someone please tell this cat that teleportation is not a standard feature for his model. My cat thinks she is a culinary genius or perhaps just the new kitchen supervisor. She climbed onto the dishwasher and started rubbing her face against the cabinet door like it owed her money. I am not sure if she wants a snack or just a better view of my poor life choices. Waking up is a real struggle for everyone, especially when you realize you are actually a tiny kitten and not a fierce jungle tiger. First you stare blankly at the ceiling questioning every life choice, then you catch a glimpse of yourself in the mirror and stand up in pure disbelief. Finally the massive yawn hits because being this cute is honestly just exhausting work.
Can you do that?
My dear, sweet child. That's what I do. It's what I live for. To help unfortunate merfolk like yourself. Poor souls with no one else to turn to. admit that in the
And if I only could make a deal with my cat, and I get him to stop eating plastic.
This cat is clearly hitting the gym harder than I am. Look at those rippling shoulder muscles and that absolute unit of a physique. He is not just eating dinner, he is bulking for a heavy lifting competition. Someone please get this feline a protein shake. I am currently serving a life sentence for knock-knock jokes and general mischief, but at least this purple cage really brings out my golden eyes.
Dengarkan pendapat Oyen tentang diet.
Apakah Oyen sedang diet?
Setiap hari. Tidak, aku terlalu suka makan dan camilan. Diet hanya omong kosong.
Dinner is served, but Chef Ginger is having a total meltdown in the kitchen today. From throwing whole vegetables to losing the soy sauce bottle, this chaotic street food service is pure comedy gold. Honestly, watching this feline frenzy is simply perfectly hilarious.
Si Mocha dan si babynya lagi bermain-main. Lucunya. Ini si Mocha. Ini siapa nih? Mola kah Molly tuh? Iya, boleh-boleh. Sampai marah-marah dia dimain kau.
When you wake up and realize you are actually the tiny kitten screaming at the void for more snacks. 1 minute you are a vocal little potato demanding immediate service, and the next you are having a full existential crisis while staring at your own reflection in the mirror.
Kayaknya
Life is truly a lot to handle.
mulai.
Watching my human walk away while I sit here guarding the cookies. I better get a serious cut for my intense security work.
Mau kok.